Sakimatravel.
Hi guys, I'm Jan. Welcome back to Sakima. We are a travel company and also the good consultant for your trip to Vietnam. And welcome back to the food culture series. In the previous video, we make about the Vietnamese rice spring roll. The one is very crunchy outside and soft inside. Today, I will introduce to you guys another version of the spring roll. It's a Vietnamese fresh spring roll. It's very super healthy and refreshing. Let's see what we have. The main ingredient for today is a pork and shrimp. Some vegetable is a lecture. And an important element to make the red spring roll have the bun in the center is made from the cucumber and carrots. Some vegetable have strong flavor like the basil and some garlic, onion to make the fish sauce. And this is the noodle, rice noodle. You can see in traditional Vietnamese pork and shrimp red spring roll have the noodles. It's a very nice filler add in the body of the spring roll. And normally, personally, I didn't put the noodle in the spring roll because it makes the spring roll more filling, and I like eating with more extra vegetable. Yeah. I will use two pork to cook the pork and shrimp because that thing is have different time to cook. The pork is around 15 minutes and shrimp just some minutes, around 3 minutes. The water is boiling. I will put the shrimp first. And put the meat here. I think now the spring is ready. I will turn off and take it out. While waiting cooking the meat, I will prepare the vegetable. Clean the vegetable first. About the basil, we take the lid out. Now I will take out the can call like skin of shrimp out. move on to cut the cucumber and carrot. Okay, now the screen is ready. Now we want to take out the meat. I think the meat is cool now, so we're going to cut it. Cut the thin slice. People like to done the rice flavor in the water. Just wait a little to soft. I will add the lecture first, then the basil, cucumber, carrots, and the noodle, rice noodle, and top spring, ready to roll it. Normally, people often combine the spring roll with the peanut sauce, but I like the fish sauce more because it's easy to make and it's very traditional. So now I will make the fish sauce. The sugar, hot water, then the fish sauce, Okay, now spring roll is ready. I will invite some special guests and let's see how the foreigner enjoy this. Let's see.
We're gonna today's dish. What is it called?
Fresh spring roll.
Fresh spring roll. So let's try it. As usual, Vietnamese food, yummy.
I hope you guys love this Vietnamese fresh spring roll and it will become the new favorite food like I tell you. And if you guys like this video, please give a like, share and don't forget to subscribe. It's a big motivation for us to do the next video. Thank you and see you.